So today's lesson 40, worksheet 41, and we are going through this final revision paper D, paper 1, and preparing for P4 end of year examination. For Hao Xuan, Ivan, can I check with you? Have you finished your math paper already?
Yes, everything finished.
Everything finished, so now can enjoy already, right?
No,
Then how? Why not? Cannot enjoy. After exam also cannot enjoy. Why?
it's not like after exam we can rest. We still need to go to school.
Of course need to go to school. Okay, so it's at least a little break for you. Right? You can do whatever you think you want. Read books, okay? All right. How about Myra? Myra. Myra, I would like to check with you. Have you finished your math year-end exam?
Not yet. It's on Monday.
Wow, okay. So this one is a revision to you lah for this. Okay. All right. So yeah, we are going through this. First question is about rounding off. So for the 8,159 is rounded off to the nearest 100. Now, in the first place, 100 has 2 0. So this is a holding place we always mention, 2 0. So we also must count the 2 zeros behind, okay? And then draw a line here. Underline the next value, which is a 5. Anything 5 or more, we have to plus 1. So in end up, I will have a 48,002. And I must put back my holding place. Okay? There are 2 holding places here. So I'm going to write 2 holding places. And these 2 holding places comes from here. Okay? Now, this is something like a very technical thing. But if let's say you want to go through the concept-wise, it is using number line. Okay, we try to use number line for another method lah. So I will say this is method 1, method 2. Okay, so let's see whether which one you would like to use. It's okay if you say I don't like. Okay, so now it's 100. So we put the 100 holding place same again. So for the 100 place, I have 48,159, right? So 48,159 have 2 holding place. So if I erase the 2 holding place, I will have how many? 481 hundredths. So I have 4, 8, 1 hundredths, 4, 8, 2 hundredths. Okay, they must be in count of hundreds because of the nearest 100. Now, I always want to do something in the center. Find out what is it in the middle. 48,150. Okay, so you can see what is their div? 50 and 50 because 100 can divide by 2. All right, so following next will be finding out where is 159. So for 48,159 will be somewhere here. So I will write 48,149. So you can gauge from here, 159 is nearer to the 200, right? So your answer will be 48,200. Remember, always follow the instructions, nearest 100. Close your bracket. Okay, so that goes for C. Okay. Do you do this, use this method in school? Yes or no? No. Then what do you use, Ivan?
Nothing.
Then you know how to do?
Just do mental because my teacher does remember how to do it. So it's just remember
Okay.
just remember the line, the graph, like just remember in our head, and then we do it mentally.
Yeah,
need
if you
the
can.
equation.
Correct, but must put curvy line equal all that. Okay, so I have this pulling here. I prefer method 1 or method 2. Who how about for who has not voted for this? Who has not voted? Okay, why is 1/1? I should have. Hao Xuan, have you voted this? Okay. How about Myra? Do you see the poll?
Yeah, but then after that it went away.
It ran away. It's still there.
For me, no.
Okay, let me do it again. Okay, this is the one that I have asked for voting. Hao Xuan, can you see this? Can, right? Okay. All right. Next question. Which of the following figures does not have a line of symmetry? Okay, if you look at each and individual one, you need to try it out, okay? So for the first one, there is a line of symmetry cutting across horizontally here. For the arrowhead, you will cut it into two equal parts symmetrical figure. Okay, for this one, you have this ice cream cone, cut it into two. Number 3, do you think number 3 can or cannot? Remember, parallelogram can never has no line of symmetry. Very important. Okay, it has no line of symmetry. Then D, you have this one. Here also, there's one line of symmetry. So the one that does not have the line of symmetry is the parallelogram, which is C. Okay, be very careful. This is super important. Let me do this in red. Okay. Parallelogram has no line of symmetry. You can't cut anything across. Okay, you can't cut this. No, you can't. Okay, neither anyway. So next question. What fraction of the shapes in the rectangle are circles? So these are circles. And then he wants to know the fraction. So circles will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. All right. But inside the rectangle, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12. So to put them into fraction of shapes that are circles. Okay. Five out of 12. Okay, question B. Answer B for this. Question number 3. How to express this as a decimal for 30 over 10,000? 1,000 for this. Okay, so 30 over 1,000, reduce and reduce. So with two holding place here, I have to move from here 1 and then put another 1 here. So this is called my holding place. So I need to put in my 0 here. Okay. So 0.03, which is 0.03. Now 0.03 and 0.30, they are equal. They are of same value. Okay, because the holding place behind the 3 is redundant. It can be there, it can also not be there. Okay, so that explains C. Which of the following factor is both 45 and 63? Now, when they ask which of the following is a factor means can be divided. So let's check. Can 45 can divide by 5? Yes. All right. So you have to write here. Can 45 divide by 5? Yes. That will give you 9. Okay. Can 63 divide by 5? No, because he will give you a fractional. So 5, 13, and 3/5. Okay, so this one is out. So we cross that out. Let's try 7. Can 45 divide by 7? 7, 6 is 42. And then 3, 7. But 63, if you divide by 7, that gives you 9. So one is not divisible, the other one divisible, so still cross. Okay, then let's take a look at this one. Can 45 divide by 7? Yeah, 6. For 48, 45 can divide by 8. 8, so 5 and 5 over 8. Still got remainder, cannot be divisible. Okay? All right. So then 45 divide by 8, 5 and 5, 8. Okay? Then 63 divide by 8, that will give me 7 wholes and 7 over 8. So this one also cannot. Then you look at the last 45 divide by 9, it will give you 5. 63 divide by 9, that will give you 8. Okay? So that explains that this is possible. This is possible. So D is the answer. Okay? So far, okay, yeah? Okay. Question 6. 1/3 plus 1/12. These are called unlike terms, right? So for unlike terms, what must we do? We must make denominator the same. So change them into common denominator. So with the common denominator of 12, we must change 1/3 into 4/12. Okay? Then we call them equivalent fractions for this one. So we have 4/12 plus 1/12, and that gives you 5/12 for this. Okay? Part C. All right? Question 5. Let's take a look at question 7. Because question 5, I saw Hao Xuan, why you get 2 over 15?
5/12. I think my finger too.
So you know where go wrong now?
I did not do wrong. I just pressed wrongly.
Again. So you do your corrections, okay?
How?
Do you have your max book, exercise book to write down your corrections? Yes, okay. Which of the following numbers is 2.2 less than this? Hao Xuan, can you tell me how you get this?